Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Translate app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do to fix it on your app, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you click here on apps and you come to next step. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here to looking for your Translate app. So just keep going down here to find it. So when you go down here, so just and can you only search for it, you click here on translate here, then you come to next step. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. Then you go down here, you click here on storage and you come to storage list here. Then you just click here on clear cache, and all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click on your Play Store here, then it's going to take you in this list. Then you just search for your Google Translate. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, just click on it, then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,